Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Mother's Day. So you guys, this year I did receive something from Louis Vuitton for Mother's Day, and honestly guys, we don't celebrate, like we don't go big, we don't buy huge gifts for Mother's Day, Father's Day. Like there's years that I will get something, there's years that I don't. Like it really depends, you know. Usually we take it very easy, you know, rather have like a nice, you know, go out for dinner or have a nice family day. And for the past few years I have been working on Mother's Day, and I'm working on that Mother's Day weekend also. So yeah, that's a life of an artist. So anyway, I did receive something from Louis Vuitton, so I thought I'll just take this opportunity and show you guys because I cannot wait to start using it. This was an online purchase because obviously I don't have a Louis Vuitton store near me, and you know, surprisingly these days they do start sending the little gift bags. So there is a proof of purchase, so obviously, you know, if in case you need to return anything, there's like all the information needed there, including the shipping label and, you know, all that little thank you cards and all that stuff. So this was obviously included, and that little gift bag, which is always nice. And here's a little SLG, you guys, that when I saw this originally that this was coming up, I knew I had to put it on my wish list because I knew I'm gonna love it and I'm gonna use it. So I did peek. I'm gonna be honest, I did peek, but I very nicely repackaged so I can show you guys. Yeah, so this is obviously a typical Louis Vuitton bag. So let me just show you guys. I did slide this up so I wouldn't mess up all this beautiful ribbon, because you can never retie it, right? Like they do at the store. So let me show you guys what I've got. So there's a little box. I wonder if you know. It is a little SLG. So let me show you guys. Are you ready? Ta-da! So this is their brand new clay in the size S. So you guys, I had to bring it because obviously some of you might ask me, what is the size S? Well, this is the original clay. This is the OG. This is what it started all. And I use mine for keys. This is the, I think right now this one is called extra small. I don't really know, but I do have my house key. I do have my car fob in here. This is just for keys. So I don't have anything else in here. But I just wanted you guys to see the difference. Like, this is so cute. There are some more sizes, and I'm actually considering to buying a medium size as a like little catch-all because I'm planning to use this particular clay as my wallet. And I'm gonna tell you why in just a second. But another thing that kind of surprised me, since when Louis Vuitton is having a tax? Like, guys, please tell me. Like, is this normal? Like, do they now put this little information card on the tag, and the tag is actually like attached to the items? Because I have never seen the tags before. The last time I had anything from Louis Vuitton, it was the pair of sunglasses I got for Christmas, but there was no tags attached. So I haven't been to the store since it was in September, so it's been a few months. But yeah, I mean, I haven't seen like the actual tags attached, so that was kind of a surprise. So anyway, if you're not familiar with the clay, this is obviously the one that has like a little chain, and you can obviously attach your key to it. But like I said earlier, I do have my keys in here, and this one also has a chain, by the way. And I do have like some of the keys, see, on this chain. So it's exactly the same. There's some sticky tape on this. So this is exactly the same, and I keep my car key like just kind of separately in here. So you have the same kind of a chain in here. So you know what I like this for? Some of my bags has like a little D-rings inside, and I think like if you do use this as a little wallet, or like to put maybe, you know, I don't know, maybe you travel, put some cash or something, and you can kind of attach this to your inside of your handbag, which I think it's pretty cool. So yeah, so you do have that feature, and the only difference between, you know, other than the size between the small clay and the bigger clay is the fact that there is a little slip pocket in here. So I guess you can just use it as a wallet, and maybe they intend to use this as a wallet, because this is the reason I got it, because I wanted to use it as a little wallet. I'm currently using my Chanel O case as my wallet, and I just wanted to show you guys, this is pretty much the same size. And this O case, again, I think this, they called it extra small now, or small, I don't know, but this is the original size of the O case. So if you really look at this, this is pretty much identical. And again, the O case, Chanel O case, comes with so many different sizes, as well as this. There's size medium, large, which is gonna fit like a computer. Is there another size of this? I don't know. I think there's like 4 total sizes of this one, and obviously the O case also comes with the bigger size that you can put your tablet, you know, iPad or computer in that. So anyway, I've been using this as a wallet, so I was thinking, you know, to kind of put everything back in here. This was like the little information card that was inside. So I have all my stuff, all my cards, cash, and there's even some change at the bottom. Let me just take this out. Yeah, I even have like a little change here at the bottom, so I'm just gonna take this. So the O case does not have a pocket in here, at least this size doesn't have a pocket. I'm gonna go ahead and just remove this tag first, because it just kind of is getting annoying. Do the bags comes with those tags as well? Because this little information card used to be like loose, always put in the pocket of the either SLG or of the handbags, and now they put in that little tag. Something new. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna put my change in here, or maybe I could put change in the pocket. And then this is, let me just, I have all my cards in here. I have all my cards and cash, so I'm just gonna put it right in here, and yeah, everything fits perfectly. So maybe this one feels even like a little bit bigger. No, it's actually the same size, but I don't know, it's like maybe it seems like it's more room. Well, this is obviously all leather, and this is canvas. This is not a leather, but I feel maybe this one has, I don't know, maybe it's a little bit just stretchier. So, but very easily you can take all your cards or whatever you need very easily, and yeah, I think I'm gonna just keep the change in here in that little pocket. So this is really the reason I wanted to buy, because I have been enjoying this so much as a wallet recently. I don't know why I even started to using this as a wallet, because obviously I have so many different wallets, and but I don't know, I just kind of took this one out, and I've been using for at least 2 months. So yeah, I switched to this one, so now I'm gonna use this one, and obviously I have a little one as my key holder, so now I have a little duo. So yeah, I think this is such a handy SLG, and when we ordered this, I think it says that we ordered this sometimes in April, and it says that it's gonna be 3 weeks before they shipped. So yeah, we got it just, you know, a few days ago, so right before the Mother's Day. So it was great. We're very happy, and my husband was like, I don't understand your happiness, but I was like, you know, like squeaking out of happiness, because I think it's such a handy little SLG. So yeah, I am super happy that I have this, and let me know if any of you did purchase this, or did you purchase the bigger one. I am very curious again about the medium size. I really want to try the medium size, but I might wait and just go to the store and see how big it is and what can fit in, because I think it might be quite handy to kind of keep it in your bag as a catch-all, because it's quite narrow, but it does fit a lot of things because it's very flexible. And you know, sometimes with all those cosmetic cases, they just very wide, and in my opinion, they take too much space. So I'm thinking maybe the medium size would be great as, you know, like my little catch-all in my handbag. So definitely let me know if any of you owns this or the bigger size and how it works for you. I really would like to know. But in the meantime, I'm gonna enjoy my new SLG from Louis Vuitton. I'm super happy. And yeah, I guess this is it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And again, happy Mother's Day to all of you who are moms, who are going to be moms. It's such a fun weekend. So anyway, yeah, definitely leave me a comment, give it a thumbs up, and obviously subscribe if you're new to my channel. And I will talk to you soon. All right, bye guys.